Welcome back to the part 2 of Ride to Unity. I am Vishwajit and you're watching 2 Men 2 Bikes. Now, because we got a lot of complaints regarding audio in the previous part, this video is gonna be a voiceover. So let's get rolling. In the previous part, we arrived at Rajpipla, which is the nearest town to Statue of Unity where you can find decent accommodation. Now we saw many YouTube videos where people suggest to stay in Ankaleshwar, which is about 100 kilometers away, but trust me, you will find equally good accommodations here. Now, after having a Gujarati thali for lunch, we headed towards our main destination, the Statue of Unity. We had booked our tickets online for the viewing gallery for the time slot of 4 to 6 pm. The roads from Rajpipla to Statue of Unity was gorgeous. It was well paved and dead straight for most of the part. Thus you can see us doing some crazy speeds out here. But don't try to imitate that.
क्या 30 चल that guy just did 30,000 kilometers in his Pulsar 150. Kudos man, kudos.
And it was a very memorable moment for our friend Digvijay as he reached a milestone of 30,000 kilometers on his Pulsar. So we reached Statue of Unity. After parking the bike, you need to take a bus to the entrance of the statue. After going through the security, you will be awestruck by the massive size of the statue and beauty of the surrounding landscape. You can either walk till the statue or choose to take the escalator, which will take you all the way till the base of the statue. We first decided to go to the viewing gallery. For that, you need to go through the museum. The museum tells us about the history of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and also India during the time of independence. Now you need to line up to get into one of the two elevators that take you to the viewing gallery. Now the gallery is situated at the chest level, which is at the height of about 130 meters. From here, you can see a panoramic view of the surrounding landscapes, mountains and the Sardar Sarovar Dam. It was well worth coming all the way here. After the viewing gallery, we headed straight to the foot of the statue. Standing here is when you realize the scale of the statue. We took a lot of pictures till we lost all this light we had. But this was not the end. When the sun goes down, the whole place gets beautifully lit in preparation of the main event, the reason for which many people stay here so late, the light and sound show. Sorry for the quality, but that's the best our cameras could capture. But it's not something you can experience from your displays. You need to come here and see it in person. That's all from our side. Hope you like the video. See you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.